created. Delete the unnecessary details and edit the details like contact number and website if needed. Select the style to photo and switch on the magic prompt. Choose the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click on generate. Wait for a little and here you will get some amazing options to choose from. Select the one you like. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can again click on generate, or you can even head over to the magic prompt section and copy the prompt as it gives a detailed description of what we want. Now paste it in the description box and click on generate. Select the one which you like. Download it from here. Step 3. Adding the details. Now we will do some final adjustments. As the AI has not done a good job with the text, so we will edit it in Photoshop. Also, we will add our logo and some other details if needed. So let's open Photoshop. Here we will start by removing the text. Make a duplicate of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J so that we can have a backup. Zoom into the text. With the marquee tool, select the text area. Right-click and choose Fill. With the content aware selected, hit OK. As you do that, it will remove the text in no time. Now, let's write our text and adjust it. Now let's remove the other details in the same way and add the details. Lastly, for the call to action button, create a rectangle box and write the text here. Adjust them further if needed. Now, let's import our logo and social media icons. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust them. And there you have it, a professional looking banner using the power of AI. This is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to save time and money on design costs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.